There are so many content writing advice on the internet today, and while some of them are amazing, some of them are more destructive than helpful coming from a content writer with 5 years experience. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and today I would be addressing some of the advice I have been hearing on the internet that are not helpful at all, and I would never listen to, or I would tell my past self not to listen to if I was starting over as a content writer in 2026. I know you're probably wondering, why should you listen to me? Considering I've been a content writer for 5 years since 2021. Okay, I'm also a content strategist. I have dabbled in social media management. I have a social media marketing diploma, content marketing diploma. Just want to let you know that I'm not just saying this for saying sake. Number one, your writing will speak for itself. In as much as this is true, if you write something and you don't put it out into the world, how are people supposed to know that you're a good writer? You have to start posting your stuff on Substack or on Medium. Go to your Instagram page, put content writer there, put it in your bio, start posting snippets of your write-up like this and showing people that this is what you do. It's all fine and good for you to write the stuff and don't want people to know because you are still learning, but it also makes sense to learn in real time sometimes. If you pitch yourself to a larger audience, you know that you have people that are reading your stuff, even if it's just like 5, and they are holding you accountable. So your work will speak for itself. It's not enough. You have to put your stuff out there. 2, oh, you have to learn everything before you start. You have to pick a niche. No, you do not have to learn everything you have before you start. Before you start pitching yourself, before you start applying to jobs, before you start pitching yourself to clients, please, no. As soon as you know you've learned something for like 5 months or 6 months, put it in your CV, put it on your bio when you're sending out. Say you're a content writer, you're an experienced writer of 6 months or half a year or a year. The learning happens faster when you are writing for real people. When you know that at the end of every month you have to tell people why this article did not do well or why you think this article might have been better. That is when your learning is going to go faster, not when you're like, oh, I'm still learning. Oh, I'm still learning. Please don't do that. 3, oh, just follow the brief. You'll be fine. No. Learn to ask questions. Sometimes the brief can be so explanatory. It can have everything inside. But if you have questions like, oh, you didn't address the target audience. Oh, you didn't address the stage that they are, the marketing funnel, or, what they hope to achieve at the end. You need to ask these questions for clarity's sake. I have been a victim where I actually did not know what was expected of me. I just saw a short brief, how many words, the keyword. That was it. I still had so many questions and I still had to write that article again. It was 1,500 words. Not a lot, yes. But all of that would have been avoided if I had just asked the questions that I thought in my mind to ask them. They don't give you all the answers. You can, with the small you've gotten and the brief they're giving you, can now start writing. Always ask questions, always ask questions. Anyway, these are just some of the advice that I've seen on the internet that are not really helpful or totally destructive, and I just wanted to debunk them. If I see more, I'll come here and tell you guys. Anyway, I hope my video has been engaging, educative, and interesting, and I think it was quite short. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.